Yes, ma'am. Crack addicts definitely gonna love you. See there? Okay, so let's have you close your eyes for me for just a moment. Flex your head forward and backwards. So hold your hands up in front of you. Don't pull your shoulders forward.
So flex
Just your head.
like this?
Mm-hmm. And then backwards. And then neutral. Okay. A little bit forward and right. You know, we really like people to wear their yoga pants in here because I get a much better biomechanical analysis whenever they have yoga pants on.
Biomechanics.
Yep, it's all about biomechanics.
You should be going biomechanics pants.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We should invent those.
That's a great idea.
Okay, ladies, let's have you go ahead and lay on your tummy. This crinkle, this paper is just not
You
long.
need more, you need more.
Oh, we'll get it done with that. That's a fresh piece for ladies. Okay, legs are even. She's doing better than both of you guys so far. And they stay even. That doesn't tighten up too badly in your low back either, does it? So she got a little bit of left SI right there, and a little bit on the right, but not bad. A little bit tender right there in L5. Tight paraspinals in her upper lumbars, lower thoracic. Ooh, that's tender. You got a few ribs displaced in there with where they attach to the vertebrae in the thoracic spine. You got the cervical subluxation right there, right there. And you said you get headaches somewhat frequently.
Yes.
And your C2 is way off to the left right there. Do you feel that?
Me?
Yeah. Do you feel that when I'm pushing on?
What should I be feeling?
Well, it should probably feel a little tender right there.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
suppose.
Okay. So, now we got that straightened out. I'm going to adjust your SI joints. Now this is me taking it easy on you. Okay. There you go. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
You're going to be like Renee. Crack addicts definitely going to love you. There we go. Good. One more. There. Yes, ma'am. Still even. Probably still feels good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to move up into your cervical spine here too. Straight P-Day on this one. You got a little less heavy-headedness on yours, so I'm going to lighten that up for you. There you go. Okay, now let's turn you on your back for me, ladies. See, I gotta do my exercises all day long in between patients.
On my back?
Yeah, I didn't hear you crinkling in the face paper.
No, it's sprinkleless.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah. Renee will be on Amazon as soon as we get out of here on that. Good. Okay, slide down this way about an inch right there, and put both arms straight out to the sides. Yes, ma'am. So I'm gonna adjust your AC joints, your sternoclavicular joints, and then your anterior costosternal joints. You said you had a lot of stress in your upper thoracic spine as well. It's probably because you're with your subluxation with the thoracic spine and the sternum. Go ahead and relax your leg in my hand. There you go. And you should have felt that from your knee all the way up into your lower back.
That was great.
Good. Bad girl. Alrighty. Okay, let's sit that down. Face your fiance. Ooh, boy. Lots of crevices in this shoulder here. There you go. Ooh, this one too. Boy, yours and Renee's shoulders got quite a bit of life. Now, Lise likes to adjust her own cervical spine, so she's a little hypermobile there. So we're going to take it really easy on her when we do her manual neurospinal decompression. Looky there. Beautiful ring.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Take it.
Lise Should be alright. I don't have any heads on my trophy wall yet.
Am I where I need to be?
I'll let you know in half a sec. Slide down. There you go. Perfect. You're just like Renee in the last 2 pages. There you go. I've closed these before down there. Just let your legs relax a bit and actually lift the head. This is how I advise most of my patients to start sleeping on their backs with their legs raised parallel to the floor. This flattens the lumbar spine out, changes the angles of the ilii. Okay, lift your
Yeah, that's great.
I haven't done anything yet.
No, I mean the way I'm laying.
Oh, yeah, this feels good, doesn't it?
Where should my hands be?
Right here. And just breathe through your nose, don't bite your tongue. See there? That wasn't nearly as bad as you thought it was going to be, was it?
No?
See, you survived.
I was so nervous.
Sorry, they hit my hand. See, I put more of a P to A thrust into this as opposed to a rotary thrust. Now, you've had your neck manipulated before. You said you didn't like it much.
Yeah.
How'd that
It
feel
wasn't
to you?
bad. It wasn't painful.
Yeah, good. Okay, so let's have you come over here, stand in front of the mirror so I can shoot you too. When I finish up with the patient so that we can start the neurospinal learning process in the cerebellum, because the cerebellum controls balance, posture, coordination, and all kinesthetic movement throughout the body. So let's have you flex forward and backwards and remember how this feels. Twist your head.
Oh.
Head backwards. And then neutral. You're all right, don't worry about it. Look in the mirror right now. You stand up square as a military woman.
Yeah, I felt good.
Straighter.
Yeah, in the shoulders.
Yep, pull these up and back for me. And this will help that upper thoracic tightness you were talking about. This is the hard part though. Your head's a little forward, so we're going to come straight back V. And then negative theta X. You're going to feel a little tap on your atlas right there. And another little tap right there. Okay, now try that very same move again. Tell me if this feels any smoother to you than the previous 2 times you did.
Yeah, that feels a lot smoother. I'm getting full chin to chest.
Good. Right there. You're right down in here. Perfect.
Nice.
You look better than either one of these guys.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not to brag or anything.
So, this is your very first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief 2.
Yeah.
You guys came all the way here from Albuquerque to see us today.
Yeah.
What would you tell our crack addict fans about your first experience here at our office? Overall, everything. History, exams, everything.
Everything was amazing. The exam was very thorough. I really appreciate that. It was overall a really great experience. I highly recommend it.
Great. And I highly recommend you go see Dr. Hightower if you're in New Mexico or even if you're in California or New York, because you got an airport there in Albuquerque too, right?
Yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing your experience here today.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief with a couple of the top chiropractors in the United States sitting right in here with us today. Dr. Bo Hightower, Dr. Brett Bittner. Make sure you check out their channels. So
I'm like the third best cracker in this room right now.
look them up on YouTube because they've got some great content as well. We'll see y'all next time.
So what just happened?
Can you do
I just got the ring dinger.
Can you get this real quick? 'Cause you already said
I was so nervous. I almost chickened out, but it feels really good. I feel good. I feel great. I didn't die, so a win.
Okay.
Thanks people for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.